Hi everyone, join me today in building this puzzle. So this puzzle is from art therapy. It's called Arc de Triomphe. I don't know if I read that right. So according to the packaging, it is 6.7 inches tall and you won't need any tools or any glue to build this puzzle. I bought this puzzle for 249 pesos, which is about $4 in the US. The names and the instructions on how to build the puzzle is written in the back of the packaging. So this is the final product, and it looks really great. It turned out really great. I think I built it for 3 hours, but I took breaks, so it's like 2.5 hours, I guess. In the packaging, it says that you won't need glue in assembling this, which is completely untrue. Because if I built this without glue, it will be impossible. Because these pieces right here, these ones, you won't be able to put them in the puzzle if you don't have glue. And these little pieces, these ones, you can see they're still kind of loose. They're still kind of loose because they need glue. And these are the ones that made it really difficult for me to assemble the puzzle, because every time I move the puzzle, 2 or 3 or 5 pieces of these fall off. It slowed me down, especially these parts right here. Yeah, I had to glue them together. So you really need glue for this puzzle. It's impossible to build this without glue. So yeah, that's false advertising when they said that you would need glue for this. And these ones as well, they're still kind of loose. You can see it's moving. But overall, it turned out great. It looks really good in person. In the picture, it's not really appealing. I almost never bought this because it looks kind of basic to me. But in person, it looks nice. If I would rate this puzzle out of 5, this would be 2.5, because I didn't really enjoy building this. I didn't really enjoy assembling this. It was a pain for me because yeah, every time I move the puzzle, some of the pieces of this fall off, and yeah, these ones as well. I didn't really like this. On the packaging, on the back, where you can see the names of the pieces, they're kind of small. They're kind of written in small fonts, so it made it hard for me to see the names. But this puzzle looks really nice. So yeah, I gave it a 2.5 because I think it's still worth the price. For 249 pesos, I think it's still worth it. Although, yeah, it's the same price as the pirate ship, but the pirate ship is superb. The wood quality in that one is amazing. The wood quality in this thing's not so good. So yeah, it's 2.5 because the standard, for me, art therapy standard was the pirate ship. So this one didn't pass. But that's all. I still think this puzzle is pretty. It's cute. I'd still put this on my collection. I just don't really like that it has something written above. Although I don't know if the original art really had this on top. But yeah, that's it. We have assembled this, and thank you so much for joining me in the process. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, please do leave them below. If you like the video, please leave a thumbs up down there. I would really appreciate it. And if you want more content about puzzles, about assembling them, subscribe. Yeah, I would build a lot more. I still have a lot more wooden puzzles, and I am still planning to buy some. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.